Hey everybody, Chris here, and in this video we will be talking about something really exciting, and that is how to start a coaching business with Kajabi. Whether you're a newbie who's looking to share your expertise with the online world, or a seasoned coach who's looking to expand your reach, Kajabi can be the perfect platform for you. So grab a pen and paper, or if you prefer making digital notes, that's perfectly all right. I wouldn't assume that every one of you is familiar with Kajabi. For those who are not that familiar with Kajabi, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create, market, and sell different products. It can help you set up coaching programs, memberships, and online courses. So if you're new to Kajabi or thinking about switching to it, check out the special affiliate link below the video. You'll get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within that first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features, and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that? Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, which will get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. Now, are you ready? Let's go through the steps on how you can start your coaching career on Kajabi. Aside from the steps, I will also be sharing with you some tips so you can get the most out of the platform, so make sure that you finish the video. So, step number 1 is to log into your Kajabi account. Once you're signed in, go to the dashboard, select Products, then Coaching, and click on the Get Started button. On the next page, you'll be asked to fill out the title field, which is necessary to get started. You can even enter your coach name, description, and thumbnail image. However, those are only optional. When you click on Continue, you'll be taken to the next page, which will prompt you to choose the format of your coaching program. Here you have two options, one-on-one coaching or group coaching. If you pick one-on-one coaching, you'll be asked to specify the number of sessions. If you select group coaching, you need to provide a group name and the number of sessions as well. Now it's time to modify your scheduling preferences. You can choose from Calendly, Custom Link, Manual Booking, and of course, my favorite, the Kajabi Scheduler. With the Kajabi Scheduler, you can book sessions and integrate them with your Office 365, Outlook, or Google Calendars. After that, you select the location of your live session. You can then choose from Kajabi Live Video, which is the built-in streaming tool of the platform, or you can create a custom link. So yes, this is where your Zoom and Google Meet links come in. And if you want, you can enter a physical location where the coaching will take place. Finally, you will have to specify the duration of the session. You can set it to 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, or 90 minutes. Once you're done with that, click Continue. Here comes the fun part, designing your program's appearance. You can select one primary color and one secondary color. Make sure you pick colors that resonate with your brand, as these will be shown throughout your coaching program and also at checkout. Your choice here will greatly affect the overall look and feel of your coaching program from the client's perspectives. But don't worry, because you can always modify these later if needed. What's next? I guess this would be another exciting part for us, the pricing. Once you're done all the steps, it's time to set up pricing for your coaching program. You can either make your coaching services free or paid. If you choose the latter, you'll have 3 options on how you're going to charge your students. First is for a one-time payment, second is multi-pay, and lastly, the subscription. Once you've chosen your desired payment model, you can set up the price of your coaching program and select your payment provider. Well, you only have 2 options on this one. It's either Stripe or PayPal. Hit save and finish, and that's it. You now have a coaching program available for purchase. Now that you're done with the initial setup, it's time to modify your individual sessions. Go to the Products tab, click on Coaching, then Programs, and select the program that you created earlier. Inside that, you'll find these 4 tabs: Clients, Package Outline, Offers, and Settings. Head over to the package online and add details to each session. You can do this by clicking the ellipses next to it. You can then give each session its own title and description. You can even add an agenda and resources. By doing so, your clients will know exactly what you want to discuss in each section. Before enrolling a student in your program, make sure to finish adding details to each session. Finally, we are nearing the end of our Kajabi coaching setup process. In this step, I will show you how you can manage your clients and sessions. If customers want to schedule a session, they will click the Schedule Now option next to the name of their preferred coaching program. This will bring up a calendar where they can select their preferred time and date from all available slots. When a client purchases your coaching program, they will see all of the sessions included in that package, as well as their information. As the coach or creator, you have the flexibility to choose your own hours and manage your schedule. You can accomplish this by navigating to the Settings tab of the coaching package you want to manage. Scroll down to the Scheduling area and click the Manage Availability button. It will then launch a new page where you can enter your available dates and times. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to launching your coaching business on Kajabi. Now, to wrap up, coaching is one of the product types that creators and digital business owners can offer on the Kajabi platform. It allows you to create two types of programs, which are one-on-one session and group session coaching programs. You can modify each session's notes, relevant sources, and agenda. The best thing about this Kajabi feature is it has a built-in live video. This means you don't have to open a new tab and visit another platform to go live for your session. But of course, if you still feel comfortable with either broadcasting apps like Google Meet or Zoom, you're still free to use them. Additionally, Kajabi has a native scheduler so your clients or students can pick a specific time and date on when they want to attend your coaching sessions. And again, if you're fond of external scheduling apps like Acuity and Calendly, you can still use them too. Lastly, you can sell your coaching programs as a standalone product, or you can mix and match your products. You can even manage your clients straight from the platform. With Kajabi's help, creating and facilitating a one-on-one coaching program would be easy. And what's even more wonderful is that this feature is available on all of the pricing tiers. I know Kajabi has a lot of features and it's relatively easy to become lost. Believe me, I've been there. But don't worry. In my course, I highlight the most crucial areas to focus on, allowing you to start making money with Kajabi in the first 30 days. In addition, you'll receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your funds, among others. These templates are worth more than $900, but you will receive them for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link. I hope you found this video informative and encourage you to take the next step in your coaching career. If you have any questions or need additional direction, please leave a comment below and I'd be happy to assist. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or valuable insights to share about Kajabi, please share them in the comment section below. Happy creating, and I'll see you on the inside.